Welcome to Global Market Insights, your market research partner. According to a report by GMI, caps and closures market was valued at $74 billion in 2023 and is anticipated to register a CAGR of 4.8% between 2024 and 2032. The market will cross $112.32 million valuation by 2032, as per a report by Global Market Insights. Development of packaging industry and growing population and rapid urbanization are some of the major industry growth drivers. Based on material type, the plastic segment dominated the market in 2023, says this GMI report. Based on closure size, the less than 25 mm closure segment dominated the market in 2023, with revenue exceeding $22.6 billion, and is expected to reach $37.1 billion by 2032. Regionally, North America, generating a substantial revenue of $25.3 billion in 2023. Key players in the caps and closures market include the following. Thank you for watching. Access the report by clicking on the link provided in the description. Don't miss out on valuable insights.